Hello everybody, it's Homeless Boondockers again, continuing the Blue Water River Walk, even though this isn't Blue Water River Walk. This is more, well, it's by the yacht club and the bars downtown, but it's a nice area, and it's like a connection thing, which truthfully they should have a Black River walk also, but I wanted to show this off, and I'm adding it to the river walk videos just because I like this place. It's very nice. We got an outside fireplace. It's small, but it's nice, you know, got seating around it already. But then this is really cool. You got a chess set right out here where you can play chess or checkers. I don't know if they still have them, but they had large chess piece or checkers pieces that you could play on the board with. I've never seen any chess pieces, but it would be really cool to get enough people together and play chess in real life. But that is Desmond's Landing, where we were just at, and there's the train bridge that we looked at. I'll walk down there and show you guys that, but I wanted to do a nice view of this Black River area. I got a little bit of art up here we'll look at, then we'll walk down to that train bridge. Basically, the chessboard and the train bridge is why I want to do this video. It's just neat, and not a lot of people know it. Oh, whoa. I might have to look this up. Look at this. I just said it, Black River Walk. I'm going to have to find out about that. Maybe we'll have to do 2 videos of this area. But the sailboats, it's pretty neat. And the rough waters underneath of them. I like that. Even though it's a little simple for my taste, I still like it. Okay, let's see. We used to be able to get down to that train bridge real easy, going around the yacht club. That's this building in front of us. But let's take a walk and see if we actually can or not anymore. It's been years. This is behind the actual downtown Port Huron. A lot of people that come around here, they think of the North End area by the mall and stuff. It's downtown, but people that actually live here and deal with this place, they know that this small little area behind us is the actual downtown. Okay, there's the yacht club's entrance, their docking area. A lot of people don't know this, but this area right here that we just looked at, and the opening to the St. Clair River right there, is where all the boats dock for the Mackinac race. And then they go out to the Blue Water Bridge somewhere around there, and they actually start the race, which is a race of sailboats. And it's amazing walking down Black River with all the sailboats being parked there. You see some incredible boats. Not only sailboats, massive yachts, really cool boats, some speedboats. And there's just all kinds of stuff. Yep. Really cool. Okay. So far, it looks like we can get over to there. Whew. I got this whiff of dead fish. It's a fishing area over here. People come and fish, and it smells like somebody left their fish out. Because it stinks pretty bad down here. Yeah, somebody left some kind of fish or many fish out. You could smell it bad. Not very good to do a video around, but nothing big for you guys. You guys can't smell it. Well, I don't think we can get to the train bridge anymore. It's all fenced off. Oh, that stinks. We're here in Yacht Club private property, so the Yacht Club must have bought this. And I would have loved to have went and showed you guys that. You guys can see it from here. It's pretty neat. But it's even nicer when you're over there. But, oh well. It's worth a shot. There is a decent walkway right up here along the St. Clair River. But that walkway doesn't really have anything. I looked the other day to see if I should do a video of it, even though it's not part of the Blue Water River Walk, according to the website. But it's all it is cement and a railing. So I'm deciding to leave it off the videos. But there's no sign to go see. If we were doing the Black River Walk, which I'm going to find out about because I'll do that video. But then I would go back to the sign and end the video. We're going to come out to the road here and we're going to end the video. Well, this is Homeless Boondockers signing off. Over and out.